So outside the air from furnace is going out, but it's actually cold air, not hot air. So the burner does not work. Does not work. And so there is no, all the propane tank open here. It's open here. Okay. All the way out. So they open. And yeah, I think it's going from this tank. Unless there's one more shut-off valve somewhere, but that's it, I assume. So yeah. I don't get it. Yeah, I'm sorry, but this is completely not acceptable. So the AC is still going. So it's supposed to be furnace, but it's actually AC. I think this is my major complaint. Alright.